Today I'm diving deep into Screaming Frog SEO Spider, a powerful desktop application widely used by SEO professionals for technical audits, crawling websites, and analyzing on-page SEO. Right from the moment you open the tool, it becomes clear that Screaming Frog prioritizes functionality and depth over flashy design. The interface is utilitarian, and while it may not win any design awards, it's structured to get the job done fast and efficiently. After launching the program, you simply enter a URL to begin crawling. Screaming Frog instantly begins pulling data from the site, including meta titles, meta descriptions, headers, status codes, canonical tags, and much more. It handles both small and large websites well, although once you start crawling massive sites, you may need to adjust memory settings in the configuration panel or even upgrade to the paid version for full access. The real power of Screaming Frog lies in its level of customization. You can tailor the crawl behavior to suit your needs, include or exclude parameters, and connect it with Google Analytics or Google Search Console for additional data integration. This makes it a great option for advanced users who want full control over their crawl data. However, the learning curve can be steep. New users may find the UI overwhelming, especially with so many tabs and columns of data to sort through. Fortunately, Screaming Frog provides a wealth of documentation and support guides to help you get started. But it's definitely not plug-and-play for beginners. Screaming Frog also includes powerful features like visual site structure maps, which are useful for identifying crawl depth and internal linking issues. There's also a custom extraction feature using XPath or regex, which is incredibly useful for scraping structured data from websites. But again, this requires some technical knowledge. Many useful links you can find in the description. Performance-wise, it's quite stable, though CPU intensive during large crawls. On older machines, it can lag or freeze, especially when exporting large datasets. The reporting features are solid, but not always user-friendly. Many reports come in raw spreadsheet format, so you'll need to know how to interpret them. One drawback is that the free version has a crawl limit of 500 URLs, which is fine for small projects, but very limiting for professionals. The paid version is reasonably priced for what you get, though some might find other SaaS alternatives more accessible due to their cloud-based nature and simpler interfaces. Despite its complexity, Screaming Frog remains a staple in the SEO industry because of its depth, reliability, and flexibility. It's trusted by agencies and in-house teams alike. Whether you're diagnosing broken links, auditing redirects, or checking canonical implementation, Screaming Frog delivers precise and actionable insights. Overall, this is a tool built for serious SEO work. It's not always pretty or simple, but if you're willing to put in the time to learn it, Screaming Frog will give you a huge advantage in site audits and technical optimization. If you found this review helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more honest software reviews and SEO tips.